Are you still having trouble with sending a move-in invitation? Or still sending all of your move-in invitation face-to-face with your residents? Well, we do have the right solution for you called Maridesk, a one-stop solution for your residential management. Now, sending all of it with Maridesk will be easier. All documents will be documented digitally and paperless. You don't need to assign your resident to each unit one by one. After the process is complete, your new resident will automatically be in the assigned unit. Let's have a quick tour. How to make your first move-in invitation and send right away to your resident. First, you need to go to move-in invitation page and click the Add button. Complete all the move-in details such as the invitation subject as the title. Select your unit and move-in date. Input required documents as many as you want, for example, identity card, passport, or any else. Then, last but not least, input your property liability documents to give any information of your property to your new residents. In addition to the move-in details, you can create move-in invoice on the invitation. Enter the deposit amount for your unit, additional items, and your own terms and conditions in invoice footer, and it will be visible at the bottom of your invitation. Complete your move-in invitation by sending it to your resident through two options: send via email or send a link to your resident. In Resident Portal, residents need to submit the required documents, and you can accept or decline the invitation. If you have declined the required documents, your residents need to resubmit and you can reprocess the invitation. If the required documents are correct, you may accept to complete the move-in invitation and your resident is ready to move in right away according to the specified date. For the move-in invoice, you can click the Payment Receipt button to mark as paid, and residents are ready to move into their unit. Once the residents are moving, all documents will sync automatically and you can easily access move-in invitation documents from different pages. Now, move-in process will be easier and more efficient. Join your management with us at management.maridesk.com and click sign up for free. All the features are now free to use. Manage your residential easily with Maridesk.